In the last video, we segmented words, which means I said the word and then we broke the word into individual sounds. Well, this time we're going to do the opposite. It's called blending. I will be making the sounds and your child will pull the word. Please let them know that they're not going to be making the sounds with me because they don't know what sounds I'm going to make. They just need to listen and then be able to pull the word. So you can bring your child in now. Okay, today I'm going to be making some sounds and you are going to pull the word. So I want you to really listen to the sounds that I make. Don't speak until you are saying the word. For example, if I say the word, if I make the sounds p, ig, you're going to say pig. If I say ot, you're going to say hot as you pull it across your body. Okay? Here are the first sounds for you. K, up, cup. And the next one, am, ham. And the next one, ip, chip. And the next word, ug, bug. And the next word, I, cry. And the next word, ip, tip. And the next word, oh, go. Now we'll do some words that have more sounds. Are you ready? Ot, spot. And the next word, tub. Here comes the hard one. Amp, stamp. That one had 5 sounds. Here comes another one. Ab, cab. How many sounds did that have? Okay, and your last word, your last sounds. Jump, jump. And you can practice blending words. If your parents make sounds for you, you can tell them the word that they're saying. Thanks for watching.